Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we need to do is we will be writing a function to convert a string to sponge case. Okay, so basically, if we are given the word program is, so every alternate words should be capitalized. Okay, so similarly, program is pro 123. It's capitalized like this. Okay, great. So of course, we will need to return something, right? So we are given a text. Let's just use a new text variable. Right. So another thing that I want to do is, so I just want to use the thing for I. Yeah. Can we use enumerate in this case? K comma V. Will that be possible though? Maybe K comma V, and then we simply need to. What I was thinking was, right, or I can simply use range. No, I mean for I in range and then length of what is this text. Yeah, right, so if it was 2 characters only, it would be 2 0 and 1. That's how much we want to loop over, right? So basically we don't need to do -1, right? And then I is there, so if I modulo 2 equals 0, and another thing I want to check is I dot and is digit is alpha, I guess, right? That also should work. Then what do? We simply, so I is what do we do? And then another is we need to do text and then this thing as well, huh? Because we want to get the alphabet out of the string, right? So we have to do string slicing on it, and then the new text will be basically plus equals to I, right? Else what do we do? Okay, we don't need to do this. We simply need to do transformation basically. So I is there, we got the text. If it is alpha, what do? We do text I dot upper. Okay, so we want to make it into upper characters, right? And else is not required. We simply add it to the new text. So we've already done the transformation. Okay, we will need to assign it to a thing as well. Maybe character equals to this. Right, character. Else we do character equals to text I. Right, we just leave it as it is, and then we simply add it to the new text, and then we simply return the new text. Okay, so that's how I've done it. Let's see if this works or not. So is alpha, I'm not sure about that particular method. Okay, text is not defined. Okay, text, great. Run code is alpha, maybe. Hello, our result is, why is it like that? So why is it looping over a lot of time? Zero, and then length is what, 5? I mean, what is this? Hello, right? 1 2 3 4 5 times, and then blah blah blah. But why is it not doing so? 0 modulo 2 is that, right? Mhm. It's not even doing it to anything. Ah, okay. Why am I doing this thing? Plus text. I need to do character, na? Because since I'm using character above. What happened over here? Mm, zero. Right. Okay. So if do I need to handle for the base case scenario? Because okay, not equals to. Okay. So that's how we can basically do this. But what is it? Learn to code. LEARN. It looks fine to me. Learn space. What is that? Yeah, right. So this is what 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7. Okay, so that's why O is thing. So this is 6. That means it will be equals to thing, right? So when there is a space character, it's not working out. Okay. So maybe we can simply use a flag variable. Huh? So that's what I'm going to do with go with false. And then let's just do something. So if it is not flag, right? So if it is not flag, then if it is true, right, what do we do? False. Right. Next is if it is flag and it's alpha, then over here what do we do? We simply change the flag to true. Right. In the beginning, it's not going to be satisfied, and then from next on onwards, it will be satisfied. So let's see. Let's run the code. Okay, great. So our flag thing worked, right? So we are just basically what we are doing is we are just identifying whether we need to change the previous one or not. Okay, so that's how I did it. Let's submit our code. Right, I'm pretty sure it's not so great because I could not think of anything extraordinary. Let's see. Mm, okay, this guy has done a lot of transformation. Okay, something similar over here. Right, if it is alpha and then if it is divided by 2, then it's doing that. Right, other people have done something differently. Right, is alpha and then that. Okay, so flag was a little bit easier solution. Okay, so that's how we did it. Thank you for your time. Take care.